So let's quickly locate the Amazon shopping app as we begin the process. Now, to create your account on Amazon KDP without issues, you will need this. We know that recently we've been having some issues with signing up on Amazon because of receiving of codes. That is why we are going through this means to be able to sign up on Amazon so that we can receive codes without hitches. So to go on with that process, what you need to do first is to click on the Amazon shopping app that you downloaded. All right, so now that you have selected, you've clicked to open the app, what you need to do next is to click on done without changing the country. You can leave the country to be on the United States and then the language to be on English, and then you click done and continue from there. Now, when that opens up, you will see we have three options there. One is already a customer, sign in. Another one is new to Amazon, create an account. So of course, if in any way, in any case you've had an Amazon account before, then you can just click on already a customer. If you haven't done that previously, what you need to click now is just to click on new to Amazon, then you create an account. So we're going to click on that. And then here you are asked to fill in your details, which includes your first and last name. So now that we're here, what we need to do is first of all to put your first name and then your last name. And then in this column where they ask for your mobile number or email, you better put your email here, because if you do put your mobile number, they will need to send a one-time PIN to you, which they usually don't send these days. So instead, just include your email and then create a password. And so after you fill in all of these details, the next thing you need to do is to click on verify email. And so now you see that an OTP is going to be sent to our Gmail account, which we're going to get that and include here to continue with the process. All right, so we're back into our email. You can see that a pin has been sent to us. We just click to open that, and then we'll copy the pin, and then we'll take it back to our Amazon shopping app and include the pin there. Paste it there and then click on create account. So from here, if it brings it back to this place, just go and click on sign in, and then we'll use the information that we have provided for them before now. So just put in your email, and then let's click on sign in. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and fill in this captcha that has been sent to us. I'll click on continue, include our password. All right, so now we have successfully logged into Amazon shopping account, and then we're going to continue the rest of the processes here.